Okay, so the question is that I get all the time, how do I live in my home when it's for sale and on the market? So today I'm going to answer that question. How can you continue to live in your house and it still be for sale? Your home has always been your sanctuary, and I get that. Our privacy, our safe space, well, this can be stressful when you think about putting your home on the market and having so many people through it. So let's talk about that. Start packing now. Less is more. Packing is storing up extra things on the counter and things that you may not want others to see is going to make you feel better. Number 2, sell, donate, throw it away. This is a great time to cleanse everything out. You can help other people while donating, but get that home ready for the mass amount of buyers that would be interested as possible. The more people interested in your home at one time, the more money you're going to make. Get squeaky clean. That's right. Clean, fresh, light, bright. That's what people want to see. Think about what you want to see when you're looking at your next home to purchase, and do exactly that. Next, maintain privacy and safety. Very, very important in this day and age, as it's always been, but it seems to be in the limelight more. So you know, buyers are going to be looking through everything. They're going to be in places that normally, no one would be looking, your closets, your drawers. So, don't tempt anyone. Put things away that you don't want anybody to see, or better yet, you want to make sure it's safe and secure. Of course, never let your home be shown without someone escorting them, meaning a realtor, to make sure to protect your safety and security. All right, lastly, number 5, involve the kiddos. Right? Let's make this a fun experience for them. They're going to be excited for that new home. But also you're going to need help keeping that playroom clean. And I know, because my little one turns 5 this week. So it can get messed up pretty quick. So make it fun for them. Make a game out of it. And it's going to help you and take some of that stress off. All right, so thanks for watching today. I love being able to help you and help with all the questions that we receive online and calls that come into the office. So give us a call if you have more questions in depth on this. Of course, we go through all of these things in our consultations. And until next time, God bless and have a great day.